How did it all start, man?
Are you guys curious to see how much agents make selling life insurance? They don't profit.
$4,500 off a fucking phone call.
Hello?
Well, okay, so how did it start? So, I mean, a lot of people your age, you're 18, they're getting into like get rich quick schemes or trading crypto, day traders, you know, like trying to get rich quick and all this stuff. Yeah, it doesn't work out, does it?
Yeah, I lost all my money. So I was into fitness and I saw that with my knowledge, I could sell something and, you know, charge for that knowledge. And I was doing that my senior year. And I was like, I don't want to go to
hold
college.
on, senior year, like 6 months ago?
Yeah.
Okay.
I realized that the best marketing, right, is just people always, you know, scrolling, right? I'm like, everyone's addicted. I'm at school, people are all on their phones. I'm like, all right, I got to stop consuming and I got to produce. So I focused on just producing. I knew content, like personal branding is like so important.
Yeah.
So I started doing that in high school to kind of put my back against the wall and like say like, I got to make it work.
Okay, so why did you want to get into life insurance though?
Everyone needs it, recession proof, and you could get paid.
Yeah, well, yes, if you know how to sell, right?
Correct.
Okay.
I'm telling you, I'm posting like 6-8 times a day. Like I'm aggressive because I don't want to be ignored. I want everyone
aggressive poster.
Yes, and that's how you got to do it today.
You're omnipresent, like you're seen everywhere.
Yes, and that was the goal.
Okay.
100%. And I knew like if I just pushed it out, now I'm doing like 20, 30 posts sometimes a day, that like I'm just going to be everywhere.
I'm not sure if you've been training it, but you actually have pretty good verbal pacing. How familiar are you with what I mean by that?
Verbal pacing?
Yeah, pacing out, like when you're talking, like it's Juliano Massarelli. You called about the life insurance. See, that's pacing it out rather than like, hey, is Mary there? Hey, Mary, it's Juliano Massarelli. You called about the life insurance monotone robot. Where did you learn that?
My first job. I had a really good mentor. His name was Alan. Shout out Alan. He was on the phone with me right next to me for a month straight, understanding the tone, understanding like sound curious, bring him in.
Sure.
More into sales.
It means shifting my energy to control their emotional states.
Yeah.
You know what I mean by that?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's how do I shift them where I'm framing them to like open up. So like when you lean in, like you did the thing on Leonardo DiCaprio, when he leaned in, it's like, I've got something comes across the desk. You're leaning in, takes your vocal cords down into that concern tone that you know something they might not know.
Exactly.
And that triggers curiosity in the brain.
Yeah, and they're like, wait, what are you talking about? Like,
yeah, exactly.
Tell me more.
There's like some movements you do.
Yeah, like.
What's that one? What does that mean?
Real quick, this one in Italian means, can I curse?
Sure.
Means F them, on to the next, right? So that's one emote.
Okay.
Right here.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
That means on to the next. That doesn't bother me.
Okay.
That doesn't affect me. We're just going to keep pushing, protect your mindset. Mindset's how you get rich.
Exactly. What else? What's another one?
Then I've unlocked many emotes throughout my career.
These are good. I like
these are good.
Moves.
Like when you guys get rejected, I swear to God, like you guys got to start dancing. Dance. You just dance it away. Everyone dances.
Yeah.
Dancing is universal. Just dance.
Just dance.
Get it out the system.
Just dance. Just
call the phone on to the next, then you get paid.
I just didn't get rejected. I just closed everybody.
Damn, that's baller stuff. It's like when I get rejected, I get viral.
If you're in sales and you're training every single day, you're just going to get far less rejection because your skill level goes up. And the higher your skill level, the more sales you make.
The more money you make.
The more money you make and the more dance moves you can come up with, baby.
And the more you can help people.
How do you make somebody say yes?
Ask them questions for them to say yes.
What questions?
So I was just wondering, were you looking to protect just the funeral and the final expenses or just the burial? The funeral, right?
I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure. We just kind of were calling to see what you guys have in place. Like, how much does it cost?
Okay, so it depends based on, the premium is based on age and health. So we'd have to get you pre-approved real quick. It won't take no longer than 5 minutes. And just remind me again, what's your date of birth?
What if you did this? I like that. You could say, oh yeah, we'll go through all that for sure. I mean, it's really going to depend on like your age, like your health, kind of, the coverage that you might have compared to what you would be. And once I understand all those details, I can go through all the different options. Would that help you more?
100%.
Just reframing them.
There it is.
Yeah, there it is. What else?
I learned this one thing that changed the way I was selling was to sell with a mirror in front of you and smile.
Okay. Yeah, you don't want to be depressed.
Exactly, but
what if
it's
you're
like you're having a conversation.
Do they get like a mirror in the office?
Yeah, or
by
like
the-
even your phone, your MacBook, like camera,
Okay, yeah.
solid. And hard work pays off. And I want everyone watching this to understand, if you're 16, 17, 18, you can do anything you put your mind to. I did this all in 4 months. I wrote down my goals, aspirations on paper, put inputs. Inputs is everything. Show up every day, whether you feel like it or not. And like another thing that inspired me was realizing in 100 years, everything's done. Like every thought,
Nobody's gonna
anything.
care.
So I'm gonna give it my all. And
Yeah.
who cares what anybody thinks?
Yeah.
People that bring you down means you're doing it right.
Do you know why they bring you down?
Because it's human nature.
It's called projection.
Say it again.
It's called projection psychology. So anytime somebody hates on you, always know it has nothing to do with you and everything to do with what's internally going on inside of them. Their own insecurities, their own hate, their own jealousy, and that's why they lash out. Because nobody in life who's doing anything would ever have the time to hate on somebody's post. You might not like it, but you're not going to comment on it. So it's their own projection. So always realize, like, man, that person's having a bad day. I feel bad for him.
Exactly. I'm rooting for you, bro.
I'm rooting for you, man. I hope you. I hope you. You know, all that time you spent like trying to knock me out.
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah, I honestly, like, I don't acknowledge it, waste of my time, my energy, when I
Yeah.
could be putting into other things
Yeah.
for greatness.
Has nothing to do with you.
Exactly.
Everything to do with them. I like it. So dance moves and communication skills.
100%. It's all you need. And just a smile.
And a smile. Smile and dial with the skills, baby.
Yeah, that's it.
And if it doesn't work out, on to the next because you got people to help.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So many.
Yeah.
Boatload of people. Everyone needs the product. Everyone wants the product. Everyone can afford the product.
That's right.
Who's going to bring them to the finish line? It's you against you.
Yeah. I like the mirror thing. That's a really good idea.
Yeah, 100%. Watching yourself, it's like you're conversating and you need to have that energy in the mirror.
100%.
Because then it's like rubs off on the phone. And they're all of a sudden laughing and smiling too. You could just feel it.
Well done, man. Proud of you. It's
Thank
good.
you. I appreciate
Most
that.
18-year-olds would have no idea what any of that meant.
And at the end of the day, you know, you have to work towards something and not expect anything in return, and it will eventually work out.
This is like Wolf on Wall Street.
Yeah. And it's
You guys
just
aren't
going to
doing
get
drugs, are
crazier.
you?
No, none of
No
that.
drugs. I'm just making
we
sure.
want to better ourselves. That's the difference, right?
Well, you got a big house with all these kids sleeping on the floor. What's going on?
We got 2 on a king size bed, other 2 on another king size bed, 1 on an air mattress, 1 on the couch. I'm losing my mind.
Could be trouble. You need to get a bigger house.
I got to get an office.
You got to get an office.
So that's the next step. Definitely get an office.
Don't get an office down here in Miami.
No,
get
I'm
on
thinking like
drugs.
Fort Lauderdale, maybe
You gotta-
Boca.
Yeah, like go north.
I sell insurance through my DMs, by the way. Like, I was doing this personal brand. People reach out to me, hey, I want insurance. I like your vibe. I'll sell it. Like, I want you to sell it to me. There it is.
I love that. I get where you're throwing down. If my son was watching you, then that means something. He wants me to get your autograph. He doesn't even want my autograph, his own dad. He's like,
Really?
you following this guy? He's called the Wolf of Insurance. I'm like, who's the Wolf of Insurance? Rah, rah, rah. And he's like, the guy dances all the time. I'm like, why would he dance? And then he watched it. And then my team's like, why don't you do a reel of this guy? I'm like, sure, why not? Yeah.
Yeah, I did well. No,
Yeah.
it's awesome.